Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is for the first devlog of data structures fundamentals. So I've completed the Unity fundamentals and now I've started the another module. And what we did in first part was learn how to analyze the time complexity of an program. Okay, so let me show you an example. So let's say like this is the program. Okay, so like there are like two loops in this program, right? The first loop and then the second loop. So the time complexity of this first loop, like how how do we analyze it and stuff like that. So uh, we start with like an I value, okay, and initial value of I is equal to n. So let's say n is 100, then we start with 100, and each time we iterate through the loop, we divide it by 2, so like the value of I becomes half of it, so that 100, 50, 25, 12, then 6, 3 and 1, and then it exits the loop. So like the number of iterations, they are almost in like logarithmic pattern. So that is why the time complexity of the this while loop would be log n. Okay, so big O of log n. So that's the kind of thing that we learned. And for the second loop, this loop, so j starts from 0 and it executes until j is less than n, and it increments it by 1. So it will, like for 100 it will execute 100 times, for 200 200 times, and 1000 times, and like that. So it will iterate as long like as many times as the value of n. Okay, so the time complexity of this loop would be an n, o of n, so big O of n. So that's the kind of thing that we learned in here. And I guess that is it for this video. Thank you.